Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about one of the rules of exponents that says when you multiply bases that are the same, you will add the exponents. Okay, so let me say that again. When you multiply two numbers or two terms where the bases are the same, then you just add the exponents. Now, this example one is one that we're used to, right? And we see this all the time. And most teachers will explain this, and we know that x and x are the same base, right? So we're just going to add the exponents. Our step two would look something like this. We would say just x2 plus 3, and then our final answer, using our Roman numeral steps here, is equal to x plus 5. And that would make some sense, right? So, because if you were to take x squared times x cubed, it would be like saying x times x times x times x times x. You would just count them all up, you just add them all up, right? And you'd see x to the fifth, and that would make total sense. How about when the bases are not quite something simple like just an x? What about if they're x plus 1? Well, the rule holds. If the bases are the same, just like x and x here, x plus 1 and x plus 1 are the same base. If they're the same, then you just add the exponents. So let's try that. I would say, since the bases are the same, let's just write it down, just like we did here. And then you add the exponents. And then you would finally get x plus 1 to the fifth power. And again, how would we illustrate that? Well, this is essentially saying that I have two x plus 1s. So I have an x plus 1 here times an x plus 1 here. So I've got two of them. And I'm multiplying that by three of them. X plus 1, x plus 1, and then x plus 1. So when I count them all up, I essentially have five of them. So it's x plus 1 in parentheses to the fifth power. Now here's the example that I wanted to get to, because this is the one that's a little bit tricky for people to see. But the bases are the same, aren't they? But now my exponents are something other than just numbers. They're essentially polynomials themselves, right? So x plus 1 plus x and x plus 1 are both polynomials, right? But then so are the exponents. So what do we do with that? Well, you follow the rule. You just add the exponents if the bases are the same. So we know that the bases are the same here. It's x plus 1. Then I add the exponents. What do I have? I have 3x plus 2x plus 1. Now, can I add these exponents together? Well, I can actually add some of them, right? So I can say x plus 1, and then just go up to the exponents. 3x plus 2x gives me 5x, and then plus 1. And that would be the final answer. Okay, so again, don't be confused if the bases change from like single terms or digits to polynomials. Okay, don't be confused by that. Also, don't be confused if the exponents change to polynomials themselves. The rule still holds. If the bases are the same, add the exponents. Okay, I hope that was helpful.